And the pick for my #1 storm chase of 2015 goes to south central Kansas on May 6th during what was a severe weather outbreak across the southern to central plains. My target during this chase was Wichita, and I only had to go about a half hour northwest of the city before I encountered a rapidly organizing discrete supercell. So I got into position, turned the camera on, and as soon as I could see a tornado, it was chase on. And this supercell was explosive into the sky. From my vantage point, what made this very unique and photogenic is that I could see a rainbow for nearly the entire length of this storm chase. Now I got closer to the tornado as if it was beginning to cross over US Route 50, visibly churning up some dust and debris. I stopped to try to get a few photos here, but it was a very low contrast at this point. This storm was an EF3 tornado that tracked for over 16 miles and was in progress for about 28 minutes, and I essentially tracked it the entire time. But as I said before, a low contrast storm, so I decided to get even closer and then turn north, which was probably the best decision of this chase. As I stayed with the tornado, even though I had to encounter a few trees here and there, the storm became more and more visible, despite becoming smaller and weakening. Just the contrast made it more photogenic than it even was before. So a classic storm chase in Kansas, watching this tornado churn over a field. It was slowly weakening and becoming smaller in size, signaling that this storm chase was almost over. But the storm finally roped out, and that was the end of the chase. But this was definitely my best chase of the year, my favorite storm chase in the state of Kansas, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't seen it, I have a whole list of my top 10 storm chases of 2015. Please watch them, give me feedback, and let me know what you think.